guys, it's Taylor and Yana, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute, like a very long minute, but I'm back. It's a new year and I'm here to start things off right. So the last video that you guys saw, it was a collab with me and my friend Ariel. We did Relationships 101. Go check that out if you haven't already. That was a very good video. But today is basically going to be like a move in with me / room tour. Yeah, because I was like, I want to show you guys my room and, like, you know, basically a day in a life with me. So yeah, as you can see, I'm in Huntsville, Alabama, and it snowed. It's so pretty. It snowed and it looks very cute out here, and it's not really as cold as I thought it would be, but it's a little bit chilly. But stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, y'all, I just got done getting tested. It's a neggy, of course, but I just made it back home because I need to get a few more things before actually checking in. I just want to make sure I don't have anything else left at the house before I go. So y'all, I finally made it up to my room. I got tested and everything, and I'm fixing to get ready and unpack, but I'm fixing to show you guys my room before the decorations and everything. So just stay tuned. This is my cart. This is my common area. It's all my bags and stuff. Before I had left, I had decorated for Christmas. Yeah, I'm gonna throw all that stuff up because it's not Christmas anymore. So yeah, so before, I have a tablecloth and like hearts and stuff because it's almost Valentine's Day, and I wanted to design my dorm like kind of like, you know, pink, like lovey. So I have like a pink light, my refrigerator, excuse that, and then I have my couch area with my nightstand that I made. If you guys want to know how I made it, put it in the comments, LOL. And then I have a heart-shaped picture wall. Jalen made this. I love it so much. It has all my babies on here. Super cute. But yeah. And then I have a beautiful view. To me, it's beautiful. And then I have over here my spiritual corner. I have incense, crystals, all the good stuff. And yeah, here's a bedroom tour. This is what my bed looks like with the lights are off. New Year's resolution featuring me. My closet is the desk area. Got my Polaroids, my jewelry, pictures, planners, my computer, my notebook for classes, my iPad, my favorite perfume. And yes, this is what it looks like with the light on. And I'm fixing to show you what it looks like with it off. Super, super duper cute. My vinyls, I have Adele, Solange, Lizzo, Kendrick Lamar. I want more, but these vinyls are so expensive. I have Vanilla Bean Noel, my favorite. I have two. And then I can't remember, let me see. I think this is like a eucalyptus. Yeah, this is eucalyptus snowfall. And then my cousin has her own candle business. I'll put her information in the bio, but they smell so, 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 so good. I have these cute vanity lights. They're super duper duper cute. I love it. Stay tuned for the next videos. I'm sorry that this video wasn't long enough, but I tried so hard and I'm super, super tired. So as soon as I get this uploaded, I am going to shower and I'm going to hit the sheets because it's been a long day. I'm trying to figure out what it is. I should say, no. Well, if you guys have any questions or any video ideas, comment down below or get in touch with me on any of my social media platforms. And I will see you next time. Bye. Send me into a